Ladies and gentlemen's names, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Qiangshen E-Trike. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Qiangshen E-Trike, your number one spot for the latest and greatest in auto and rickshaw reviews. Today, we've got something really special for you, the Qiangshen E-Trike Tricycle 2025 model. This electric trike is making waves in the market, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. So, whether you're considering getting one or just love checking out new electric rides, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. Now, let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about design and build quality. The Qiangshen E-Trike 2025 model looks modern and sleek with a sturdy yet stylish frame. It's designed to be both practical and visually appealing, making it an excellent choice for urban riders, delivery services, or anyone who wants an eco-friendly alternative to traditional petrol-powered trikes. The front end has a strong, aerodynamic shape, and the headlights are LED, providing excellent visibility at night. The trike sits on 3 robust wheels with alloy rims, ensuring stability and a smooth ride on different road conditions. The body panels are well crafted with high-quality materials that make the vehicle durable and long-lasting. Moving on to the performance and motor specs, the Qiangshen E-Trike comes with a high-powered electric motor, designed for efficiency and power. The 2025 model is equipped with a 60V or 72V brushless motor, giving it an impressive balance of speed and torque. This means you can handle city roads and even slight inclines with ease. One of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles is battery life, and the Qiangshen doesn't disappoint. It comes with a high-capacity lithium or lead-acid battery, depending on the variant you choose. This provides a solid range of around 60 to 100 kilometers per charge, making it ideal for daily commutes, business deliveries, or even casual rides. The charging time varies between 6 to 8 hours, so an overnight charge will have you ready to roll the next day. Now, let's talk about comfort and convenience. Riding this e-trike is a breeze. The seat is well cushioned, designed for long hours of comfortable riding. The handlebar positioning and controls are user-friendly, making it suitable even for beginners. A great feature in this model is the reverse gear, which makes maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. The suspension system is also well tuned, absorbing shocks from bumpy roads and ensuring a smoother ride. The rear section offers decent cargo space, perfect for small businesses or anyone needing extra storage. When it comes to safety features, the Qiangshen E-Trike 2025 is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing excellent stopping power. The braking system ensures that even at higher speeds, you have full control over the vehicle. The LED indicators and tail lights make sure you're visible to other road users, even in low light conditions. One of the standout features of this trike is the digital dashboard. It displays all essential information like speed, battery level, and distance covered. The interface is clear, bright, and easy to read, even in daylight. Some higher-end variants even come with Bluetooth connectivity and a USB charging port for added convenience. So, who is this e-trike perfect for? 1. Urban commuters. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to travel around the city without worrying about fuel costs, this is a great option. 2. Delivery businesses. Food delivery, package transport, or even courier services can benefit from the cargo space and efficiency. 3. Eco-conscious riders. If you want to reduce your carbon footprint and switch to an electric ride, this is an excellent way to do it. Now, let's address one of the most important factors: pricing and availability. The Qiangshen E-Trike 2025 model comes in different variants, and the price varies depending on the battery type and features. Generally, it falls within an affordable to mid-range price point, making it accessible for both personal and business use. As for availability, it's currently being distributed in select markets, so if you're interested in buying one, check with your local dealers or online marketplaces. Many manufacturers also offer financing options, so you can get your hands on one without breaking the bank. Final verdict: is the Qiangshen E-Trike 2025 worth it? Absolutely. This trike is a fantastic combination of affordability, efficiency, and practicality. With its strong build, powerful motor, excellent battery range, and added safety features, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to switch to electric transportation. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Qiangshen E-Trike Tricycle 2025 model. What do you think? Would you consider getting one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bao Auto Ruksha for more exciting vehicle reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.